My name is Ian Clement Jr. My title is Johnny Kid, and it's about a boy who believes the adults will out to get him. They may be evil, like zombies or vampires or aliens, and he trains himself in the vein of kung fu masters and Street Fighter video game enthusiasts to have a sort of superpower to combat them. It's all about having fun and returning to that time of imagination as a living child. My contact information, you can reach me at wordpress.ic, the letter IC, justright.com. I love Icon. I've been to a few other conventions and none of them compare to this experience as a visitor and also as an artist. You know, people who are coming in to get shown I love and I support. I also did a comic on my weblog before I came about us raising money to come here as a group over the collective. And we feel it was a very successful event.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for your participation.